Naval battles in the beginning of the 20th century defined the evolution of warships for decades to come. The country that had the most battleship in its navy could be considered an invincible master of the seas. After World War I, the US and Japan started a true competition to build the most powerful fleet. By the end of the 1930s, US engineers designed a ship that was destined to end the era of battleships by becoming the best of them.
The necessity of building new ships was caused by the Japanese assault on China in 1937. All the leading countries of the world realized that war would break out sooner or later. During these combat actions, the Americans somehow learned that the Japanese had heavy cruisers with powerful artillery armament. How could they oppose these ships? A decision was made to build battleships with specific armament and speed.
In 1939, the General Council of the US Navy approved the project for a new battleship that was able to reach a speed of 33 knots. The main ship of a new class named USS Iowa was laid down in June 1940.
A powerful ship with powerful armament, which had quite a high maximum speed. It would reach 33 knots according to the project. Some destroyers are this quick too.
USS New Jersey became the second ship of its class. Her construction started at a Philadelphia shipyard and progressed at an unprecedented rate. But after the attack on Pearl Harbor, it was accelerated tenfold. The battleship was launched on December 7, 1942, the first anniversary of this tragic event. Total displacement, 57,500 tons. Length, about 887 feet. Beam, 108 feet 3 inches. Draft, 36 feet 1 inch. Armament, primary armament, 9 Mark 7 guns in 3 triple turrets. Caliber, 16 inches. Dual-purpose artillery, 20 Mark 12 guns in 10 coaxial Mark 28 turret mounts. Caliber, 5 inches. Anti-aircraft artillery, 20 quadruple Bofors gun mounts. 49 0.8-inch Mark 2, 3, 4 Oerlikon autocannons. Air Group, 3 Vought OS-2U Kingfisher floatplanes. Armor, main belt, 12.1 inches. Primary armament turrets, up to 18.7 inches. Conning tower, up to 17.3 inches. Maximum speed, up to 32 knots. Range, 20,150 nautical miles.